All right, welcome back to the channel. Really excited to have you all here today with us. Gonna be doing an unboxing. I haven't really done very many unboxing videos at all on the channel in relation to different flight sim hardware. I think everybody's pretty used to just seeing flight sim hardware installed and operational. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna give an unboxing a go. A couple of things. One, you know, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, join the Slavix community. Hit subscribe and become a follower of some of our content. We've got a lot of other content as well. Just all around the flight simulation space, really at home, in the comfort of your own home. I'm going to review these as the average Joe, right? When I say the average Joe, what I really mean by that is I'm going to review these from the perspective that I'm looking to take these things out of the box, put them on my floor, connect them into my computer, and hopefully hit the ground running. I'm not going to be spending hours calibrating these things. I'm actually not going to calibrate them at all. I literally just want to plug them in and go fly. We're going to see if we accomplish that here in the unboxing video. So that's one piece. And the third piece is thank you for all of the comments. I read them, I see them. They are very helpful for me to make these videos better. So I think before in other videos I'm sitting here moving around all the time. I'm like really bubbly and exciting. Half the time the lighting sucks. So anyways, we're getting better at the videos, but it's only because you guys comment, you guys leave me feedback, and you guys also send me a couple emails here and there about things I can do differently. So thank you for those comments. Keep them coming. Hopefully this one's pretty good. You're going to see less of me. You're going to see more of the product here. I'm sure everybody's fine with that. So I am too, and I'm really excited to walk through these Thrustmaster TPR pedals, everything you get inside, setting them up, using them in Microsoft Flight Sim. So let's go ahead, let's get started. We've got once again the Thrustmaster TPR pedals. We're gonna go ahead. We're gonna unbox these. Really nice safety seal here. You can see all the serial numbers, the item number here. TPR worldwide version, made in China. Here we go. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna open these up. You know, I was really excited to get my hands on a set of these TPRs. I had my eye on them for quite a while, and throughout COVID, they've really been out of stock. And so I'm really excited to. I've finally gotten my hands on these pedals. They are they look really promising. I mean, they look fantastic. So we'll go ahead and give these a go. So we'll crack these puppies open, and so you can actually see just some really nice packaging here. Nice retail packaging. These things look really robust. Passion, quality, innovation, and then they've also got it in French. As well as I believe Thrustmaster is actually based up in Montreal. So anyhow, but we're going to go ahead. We're going to take these puppies out of here, and we'll maybe set this onto the ground to get them out. So we'll be right back. Oh boy, unboxing, not going well. Okay. All right, we're back. Here they are. We got the Thrustmasters. You guys still with us? Hopefully you're with us. Okay, good. So we slide it off. There's a couple other deals we slide out here. You know, give Thrustmaster a follow. You know, Facebook, YouTube, Insta, TM Thrustmaster. Give them a follow too. We'll get them tagged up in this video. Got some nice flaps here. Nice little user manual. So that's great. And then we gotta get them out. Okay, I'm gonna put it back on the floor to get these out though. So I'll be back. Okay. Hopefully you're still here. Okay, so now we got 3 layers of packaging out, and we're down to I think the final layer. So we go ahead. We will remove these foam inserts here, and these are nice protective foam. Go ahead and pull these apart. So you can see here, looks like pretty simple USB cables included. Looks like there's also some hardware, some Allen keys and some wrenches. We'll see where those come in handy next. And then in here looks like this actually peels right off. And this is one of the pedals. And these look really nice. These look quite large in size, quite robust. So we've got one of the pedals here, and then we will go over to this one, and very similar configuration here with this packaging. We have got another pedal. So here's the other pedal. Once again, nice robust size pedal. Looks metal and looks nice. So now we've got our pedal. So now we're going to, hopefully you're still with us. Good. We're going to assemble these bad boys here. Oh yeah, wow. Okay, so I'm excited about this because I try to move them here and they're pretty solid. So the big thing I was hoping we'd have is nice solid pedals. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually connect. Oh yeah, good. Oh yeah. So nice. So I mean just the connections here in the back, and hopefully y'all can see these. I mean, just really looks really nice. I mean, all the connectors here, really nice metal construction. I mean, just the labeling, all the connections. I mean, looks just really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead. I am going to put the pedals on. We're gonna look at the manual, get everything settled there, and then we will be back with configuring this and getting this going. But these look super nice, and we will get the hardware going here on these and get that going. Okay, so I'm just taking here, you can see these ridges here. This arm basically connects right into these ridges here. Here's that's the brake mechanism, and I gotta be honest, that's really smooth. It's like super smooth. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna unthread this nut, this little tie here. We're gonna separate that piece out. Once again, that's gonna go up and down. Right in there, like so. Put it down as well. Okay, so once again, we got the rudder pedals plugged into the computer. We got FlowFlake going here, Honeycomb. We got the GoPro down there for my feet. Hopefully my nails are okay. So we'll just quick go into options, go into controls. And look at this guys. This is what I'm talking about. This is a hardware company, and I'm gonna tell you why it's a hardware company. Look at this beautiful image of the TPR pedals. It looks gorgeous. It's high resolution, great lighting, and it's the detail. I know it's little, but look at that, it's beautiful. I now look at the rudder. Okay, look at this. It's so smooth on my foot, and it's just going back and forth. I then look at my brake, full brake, full brake. So once again, I didn't go to a single Thrustmaster website. I didn't download a single driver. And they work out of the box in Microsoft Flight Sim 2020. This is what I'm talking about. We obviously need a little bit of right rudder here on takeoff. And so, yeah, this is nice and smooth. 5 rotate. These are just smooth. Really nice. I want to see how the brakes are, really. That's what I want to see. Landing with the tailwind here, so that's where we're going so far. Oh, I like those. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, these are smooth. Wow. You know, the only way I can describe these is it literally feels like there's ball bearings, like liquefied ceramic ball bearings in the pedals. They're just so incredibly smooth. That's the only way I can describe it. Wow. I mean, just on the ground here. Super nice. Yeah, using that brake to turn a little bit. They're not sliding around on the floor at all. Nothing like this. Alright, so very quick debrief. Absolutely love the pedals. Love the quality, love the pedals. I'm trying to think, really, I mean, they just work. Like, they're not as cheap as the Logitech. They're not as stiff as the Yoko. And so why I'm comparing them so much is because it's what you want in the sim, right? Like in the home, right? Wood floor, office. I got a wheelie chair here, and they're just the right amount of stiffness. If I wanted to lighten them, I could. I think I could even make them stiffer maybe by spinning the screws. I'll read the manual. But, like, really, really nice product. That's all I can say. Super awesome product. Super nice product. If you want some Rudder pedals, just go buy them. They're awesome. These are the Thrustmaster TPR pedals. These are the TPR pedals, yeah.